I guess I was just waiting on a change. Come on, man, hurry up. Fuck you. Reading book after book, day after day, stuck in a haze. I wanted something different than what I didn't know. I'll wake up again and again and again with nowhere to go. My palms are sweaty, I guess they always are. I put on my shoes to go for a cruise, but they're uncomfortable, and that is a shame. Whoa, I still feel the same, but I just keep on pushing, 'cause one day things will be great. You'll see, my heart is beating out my chest. I know you hate cliches, but I said it anyways. Don't get mad at me. Come on, don't get mad. You know I'm superstitious, that's how I've always been. But if a bird shits on my head, I will never understand how that's a good thing. I guess that's my problem, trying to make sense of a world filled with chaos. I'm lost in the sauce, but don't want it to end, and that is a shame. Whoa, I still feel the same, but I just keep on pushing, 'cause one day things will be great. You'll see, and all that I know has been learned painfully slow. I just hope that I land in time. Fuck it, give me a problem, I'll make it even worse. It's not that I mean to, it's just that I seem to. I'm sorry for that. Just stop with the drama, you have to know I don't care. I wish that I did, I just don't give a shit, and I'm tired as fuck. I guess that I'm older, everyone says I am. 30's coming quick, man, I can't believe it is, but time doesn't care, and that is a shame. Whoa, I still feel the same, but I just keep on pushing, 'cause one day things will be great. You'll see.